Go, Diego, go! Diego's Springtime Fiesta! Hola, soy Diego. I'm an animal rescuer, but today I'm getting the Animal Rescue Center ready for the big Springtime Fiesta. Do you like fiestas? Me too. I can't wait. I'm taking my rescue truck back to the Animal Rescue Center now. Come on! Mira, look! It's a mother cottontail rabbit. She has a big pile of cactus fruits for her family to eat at the Springtime Fiesta. How many does she have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5 cactus fruits. She must have 5 babies to feed. But where are her baby bunnies? I see the rabbit's nest, which is lined with grass and soft fur. But it's empty. Oh no! The baby bunnies are missing. Let's help Mummy Rabbit find them. Don't worry, Mummy Rabbit. We'll help you find your bunnies. My field journal tells me that rabbits leave their nest to go explore or look for food. Maybe the baby bunnies did that too. Look, there are 5 trails in this tall grass. Do you think they were made by the baby bunnies? Let's go check it out. A rabbit's fur helps it blend in with the grass, so we have to look carefully for the bunnies. Do you see a baby bunny in this tall grass? See, there he is. We found you, baby bunny. The baby bunny says that he was searching for leaves to decorate the Springtime Fiesta when he lost his way. We're glad we found you, baby bunny. The leaves you gathered are perfect for the party. Rabbits love to eat grass and leaves on trees and bushes. Do you see any plants around here that a baby bunny might have nibbled? Ahí está, over there. And there's the second baby bunny. She's stuck behind those branches. Don't worry, baby bunny. We'll move those branches and get you out. The baby bunny says she was searching for yummy treats for the Springtime Fiesta when she got stuck. You're safe now, baby bunny. My field journal tells me that the rabbit tracks look like this. Do you see any rabbit tracks in this muddy riverbank? Which way did the baby bunny go? See, the baby bunny went this way to the stream to get a cool drink. But look, he is stuck on a log that fell into the stream. Don't worry, baby bunny. Rescue Pack can transform into a raft. Now we can paddle to you. El rescate, to the rescue. We've got you, baby bunny. We have saved 3 baby bunnies. How many more do we need to find? See, 2. Do you see another baby bunny? There he is, under that log. He is being very still. He must be hiding from something. What is he hiding from? See, the gray hawk. Rabbits are afraid of hawks. Let's be still like rabbits until the hawk flies away. 1, 2, 3, 4. We found 4 baby rabbits, but there is still one more trail to follow. Let's find the last bunny. Do you see the 5th baby bunny? She fell into a hole and is too little to climb out. It's okay, baby bunny. We can pull you out. Animals, let's pull. This baby bunny says she was practicing her hop for the Springtime Fiesta when she fell into the hole. We've got you now, baby bunny. Let's count the bunnies to make sure they are all here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 baby bunnies are safe. Now let's take them back to their mommy. Mummy Rabbit is so happy to have her family together again. Let's all go to the Springtime Fiesta at the Animal Rescue Center. Fantastico! We can hop in my rescue truck to get there. We made it to the Animal Rescue Center for the Springtime Fiesta, with our flowers and our new rabbit friends too. Mission completa! Springtime mission complete! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. For more Diego stories, check out my Diego playlist. See you next time.